Hello fellow humans and welcome back to the channel. We are Trey and Addie. We have been traveling the States in our self-converted sprinter van named Tanya. We have been on the road about 6 months and we have no plans of slowing down anytime soon. So sit back, grab yourself a drink, some snacks, and enjoy as you watch us make our way up the coast.
We begin our travels in LA and we are forced to make a detour along the way as we head north, so stay tuned for that. Let's roll the footage. Pacific Coast Highway Tech 1. We're about to go see Point Dume and not fall off the cliffs. Oh no, you're fine.
It's fine.
Well, buddy,
Yeah.
y'all gonna do a good thing here.
Got a workout today.
I have no idea what the sea lion is doing. So I don't know if he's in distress. I don't know what he's doing. He does not look like he's having a good time. He's literally just swimming towards me, I feel like. Hey, Bubba, you okay? Oh, goodness. Finn is not doing too well or something. Alright guys, this is our second day in Santa Barbara and it's a beautiful day. As you can tell, I've been out in the sun, my face looks like a tomato. It's bad, isn't it? Is it real bad? My shoulders are red, but regardless, it's a beautiful day. Lots of people out. As making up some work and we're just chilling. I'm about to eat this salad. And what are we doing tonight?
I don't know.
We'll see. Hopefully there's a nice sunset. We can go outside and just chill out. This is it for now. Still on the Pacific Coast Highway. Oh, and an update about the Pacific Coast Highway. Do you want to tell them?
What's the update?
Well, the update is there is a landslide in between us and Big Sur.
Highway 1 remains closed until further notice between south of Deachin's Big Sur Inn all the way to Elephant Seal Vista.
So we cannot travel up Highway 1 up the coast. So that's kind of a bummer for us because we were wanting to do the entire coastline, stop in Big Sur, San Francisco, and then on up. But we can't do that because there's a road slide? Because there's a mudslide, whatever you want to call it, from all the rain in the last several months. So we're gonna make another plan, but for now we're chilling. Big chillin'. You ready to go for a walk?
I am.
You go down the pier?
Yes.
been in their car for about 2 hours. We're going to go into slow, as they say, but then we found this spot that has some parking along the beach, along the dunes, so we're gonna check this out. It looks pretty cool.
And how are you? We were just passing through. We might do a night or two. Is that cool?
That's fine. Wow.
Is it usually like this windy?
It's just $10 a night, so nothing bad.
Yeah. What about getting stuck?
You know, you have a chance.
So this is our first time camping on the beach, physically on the beach, which I'm excited about. I'm not excited about the risk of getting stuck in the sand. It's not like your typical beach where there's like 6 inches of sand. It's pretty compact, as you
How
can
do
see.
you know you're driving in the right spot?
I'm just gonna go where that guy just came from.
He's going real fast.
Yeah.
How's she doing on the sand?
We're okay for now. I just don't want to get off that way. We're just gonna stay where it's compact right around the water. That's where all those people are down there. So we think we have to cross right there to get down the beach in order to camp. Which we're not gonna do because we're not stupid. So we're just gonna try to park here somewhere. I guess somewhere around on this side. I don't know. This guy's about to pull a pretty decent sized camper. Look at this. Oh man, he's going right for it. Jesus. So we chose not to go down the beach to park. Where you saw those cars crossing over the ocean, literally they had to cross the ocean. That was the side of the park you had to park on to spend the night. We talked to the park ranger and he said that you can wait for low tide, which could be in 5 or 6 hours, and that would put us at waiting till what, like 11 o'clock Ed? So we just decided not to cross it. One, we just didn't want to get salt water up in the engine. We probably could have crossed it, maybe not. If we'd have gotten stuck, we would have had to pay probably close to $500 to get towed out. So we just made the decision not to go. So yep, we are parked outside of a campground. Tomorrow we're gonna go to SLO, which stands for San Luis Obispo. So, and then from there on, who knows? So hang with us. It's shower time. We'll see y'all later. All right, I got to poop.
Filming. Oh, hello. Good morning. If you're trying to read more, here's a tip. Sneak in some pages whenever you can. It doesn't have to be sitting down to read for 30 minutes. For instance, I just picked this up and read a couple of pages, and then I set it down, and now I'm going to cook and
Are you that far into this?
This book, yeah.
You just started that yesterday.
No, I've been reading it for a little while. See, I've been sneaking bits along the way. Just pick it up, read a couple of pages.
I need to go poop. Love you.
I love you. Have
Be
fun.
back.
Be careful. See you in a bit.
Yep. Pretty nice, to be honest with you. I'll be right back. All right, officially good morning, guys. I am walking through this campsite here. It's Pismo Beach campground. We stayed outside the campground at a small parking lot, which was totally free, and just a couple cars going by late at night, but that's okay. I'm on a nature trail walk that leads to the beach. So I'm just having some morning coffee and hanging out. Let's go up this trail here. Area is incredibly beautiful. Pismo Beach campground. They got it going on. They got a nice view of the water. You can walk down to the sand dunes and just play in the ocean. It's really nice. On to the next location, which is SLO. Let's go. We decided to make a quick pit stop, CrossFit Inferno, for a quick workout, and then we're gonna go back onto the road. So, you ready?
Get it.
Let's get it. done with our workout. Now Addie's inside this store right here. It's called Retro Clothing Store. Found a parking spot and we're heading to Bubblegum Alley next, which is really cool. So let's go. I think we found Bubblegum Alley. It's got, I thought it'd be more colorful. I thought it would be more colorful than this, but what would you expect from like molded gum from people over the years?
That's gnarly.
Ooh. Ooh. I'll give you $20 if you lick that piece. $20. Come on.
Not 20.
What would it take? I don't think this is bubble gum. That's nasty. Yeah, that's inappropriate. So the whole thing started back in 1970 when a bunch of high schoolers were trying to stretch a row of gum from this street to the other down that way, and they succeeded by doing like one row all the way down, and they kept coming back and putting more gum down the bricks. So there you have it, Gum Alley. Kind of cool, kind of gross. What'd you think about the garden?
It's a nice little garden that they got going.
Isn't that neat?
Getting a picture of you, getting a picture of that.
What do you think about our campsite? It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So there's our van, right there.
Perfect. It's just for us. Come on.
Okay.
I've seen some of the biggest pine cones I've ever seen. This is like the most dense pine cone.
It's your first California pine cone, right?
Yeah.
Kinda.
It's so dense.
Her teeth is. Oh my god.
What?
If I was in LA. What is that?
It's just goodies. You need it. No. No.
That song got me to move.
I know. We're gonna have to put our heads down here. Yeah.
We decided to go on a little nature walk with our vests on. And this is absolutely beautiful. What trail is this called?
So we started on Bluff something, and now we're on Are we on Rattle something?
Rattlesnake Trail. Indeed. We're trying to rush so Addie can get back to the van before 12 because she's got a call, and it is 11:30 and we've got to go. Switchbacks. The place is beautiful, yeah? Come on.
Wait, we have to go 3 more miles?
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Oh no. We made it almost back to the van. Addie made it back to the van. She is back here. She's got a call. It was actually 12:30 and she just made it back, and it's actually 12:20. I just saw a pretty decent sized buck solo out here in these California hills, which is cool, across the road in front of me. Now he's just grazing in this thicket towards the ocean. We've been hiking with these weight vests for about probably close to 6 or 7 miles, but it's been great. We are gonna stay again in the same spot and just chill out. So the fog has lifted, the sun is out. It's not entirely too crazy windy. I'm gonna stretch, my legs are so sore. We got our exercise in, saw some wildlife, no snakes, and now it's time to eat lunch.
After the place we have since named Bunnyland, we piddled around Morro Bay, making sure to stop into a thrift store and a bookshop before making our way up to Monterey. After about a 2.5-hour drive, we arrive at Lover's Point in the early evening. We enjoyed sitting beneath a magical sunset while talking to folks as they passed by. Unfortunately, our journey up Highway 1 is on pause for the moment, but no fret, we will return again soon. So thanks for tagging along in today's video. I hope you find some joy in what we are doing and sharing here. We are truly grateful for each of you. It brings us so much joy to converse and chat with you in the comments about the art of traveling, so thank you, we mean it. And we will see you in the next video.